In this video, I will tell you features of advanced cash on delivery app. We have a lot of features here on our cash on delivery app, as you can see. So very first feature is add COD fee configure button. For this, you already need to add additional cash on delivery fee in your Shopify settings. Then you can come here. You can change the status to enable and you need to select the shipping rates, which is related to COD only. So this is for the cash on delivery fee. And after that, we are having limit COD based on cart. For this, you need to select your payment method, and if I've already added fee for cash on delivery, then you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. So here you can add for the minimum amount or maximum amount for cash on delivery available only for orders within your chosen subtitle range. Need to just change the status and you need to enter the minimum amount and the maximum amount. And on this number of products, you need to change the status to enable, and you can hide COD if cart has equal, not equal, greater than, and you need to adjust your product count value here. And after that, we are having limit COD based on location configure button. So here we are having country, state, and pin code. If you want to hide COD for any country, then you can hide, or if you want to allow COD for any country, you can allow. This is for the state. If you want to allow COD for any state, you can allow from here, and if you want to hide, then you can hide from this option. And we also have pin code. Then you can enter as many pin codes as you want. You can also upload the file here, so it will gonna block that particular pin code. If you want to allow COD for these pin codes, then you can just click on only allow COD for pin codes in the list. And after that, we are having limit COD based on product configure button. So here we are having three options: product, collection, product tag. So just you need to change the status, and then you can hide COD for the product, and you need to select product from here. If you want to allow COD, then you can click on allow COD and you need to select the product and allow COD for all products. And for collection, you can also hide COD for this collection and allow COD for this collection. And for product tag as well, you can hide COD for the product tag and you can enter the product tag here or in your product section. After that, we are having limit COD based on discount configure button. Here we are having discount applied in discount amount. So if you want to hide COD when any discount is applied, then you can change the status to enable and you can just select hide COD when any discount is applied. For discount amount, for example, if you want to hide COD for based on discount amount, then you can select the condition and you can add discount amount here. Then we are having limit COD based on customer. If you want to hide COD or if you want to show COD for the customer with this tag, you can enter the tag here. And here in the customer section, you can add any customer and add the tag there. Then it will gonna hide or show COD for that particular customer. Next, we are having block large pin code payment method. So for this, you need to just select your payment method and you need to change the status to enable, and you can add large pin code here. You can enter the pin codes here and you can block them. And you can also upload the file. So this section is for blocking large pin codes. If you are having a lot of pin codes to hide COD, then you can enter here. If you are having only few pin codes, then you can block them from this limit COD based on location. If you are having a lot of pin codes, then you need to just go there and you can hide COD for as many pin codes. So this option is for block large pin code on shipping rate. So here you can change the status to enable and you need to just select your delivery method here and you can enter the pin codes here. So that's it. This is all about the advanced cash and delivery app. So if you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.